Welcome to our channel. Today, to begin restoring access to your Google account, navigate to the Google Account Recovery page. You can find this by searching for Google Account Recovery in your preferred search engine. Once on the recovery page, enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Click Next to proceed. Google will ask you if you remember your password. If you do, enter it in the provided field. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. You may be prompted to answer security questions if you set them up previously. If you can't answer the security questions, click on Try Another Way. Google may offer to send a verification code to your check your recovery email or phone for the verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the space provided. If you don't have access to your recovery options, click on Try Another Way again. Google might give you additional options, like answering security questions or verifying your identity through other means. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If successful, you will reach a point where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Enter the new password and confirm it in the designated fields. Click Next to finalize the process. You should now have regained access to your Google account. Make sure to update your security settings to protect your account in the future. It's advisable to set up two-factor authentication for added security. If you face any difficulties, refer to the Help Center for additional support. This completes the recovery process for your Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.